Always read your using care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Hi, I'm Chef Ann Nolan. Today I'm going to show you how to position your burner caps and bases for proper operation of your cooktop. If the burner base and cap are not positioned properly, the burner may not light, continue to spark, or the flame may be uneven or discolored. Make sure the base is positioned properly over the igniter. The burner cap should be centered over the burner base and level with the cooktop. When working properly, your burner should have a steady blue flame. Thanks for watching.